Hello and welcome. My name is Will. I've been playing guitar for most of my life, and I am excited to teach you today about how to properly fret on a guitar. To fret correctly, you must understand the role of your left hand while playing guitar. A lot of beginner students that I have think that they need to hold up the neck of the guitar while they're playing the frets. But this is wrong, because if you use your left hand to support the weight of the guitar, you have to sacrifice the freedom of movement in your left hand. So first, whether you're sitting or standing, you need to make sure that the guitar is supported by your strap or positioned on your leg and against your body in such a way that it remains stationary. Once your guitar is secure and stationary, you are then ready to learn how to properly fret. So to get good at fretting, follow these 4 steps. Number 1, use only the very tips of your fingers when pressing down. You don't want to have your finger flat, because that will also cause problems later when you try playing chords. When your finger's flat, even though I'm holding down a C on the A string, my middle finger is buzzing against the D string. The next principle is you want to press down as close to the fret as you can physically get without going over the fret or even on top of it. So a perfect fret is just right up next to the fret. And that's with any finger that you're using. The third step is to only press down as hard as you need to. If you press down too hard, it can actually make the string out of tune and cause unnecessary stress to your fingers. A lot of people think they just need to clench the guitar because it's buzzing, but usually the problem is not how hard you're gripping, it's where you're pressing down, what part of your finger you're pressing down with. So are you pressing down on the tip of your finger, and are you right behind the fret? And is your thumb gently pressing down behind the neck to support it? Because if you're doing those things, it should take very little effort to hold the fret down. The 4th step is remember to keep your fingers in a nice C shape. And when you're pressing down with the tips of your finger, that includes not letting those fingers cave in. You keep them nice and curved, and you do not let this happen, which will keep that nice arch and keep all the fingers, once you're playing chords, from buzzing against each other. Thank you for spending time with me today learning about how to properly fret on the guitar with your right hand. I hope that this detailed look gives you a much better idea of how to get some beautiful sounds out of your guitar and get rid of any buzzes if you've been having a problem with that. If you like the content that you saw today, please subscribe and like my channel. Please leave your comments in the comments below, and I hope you have a great day.